Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to install Anaconda for data science. So I've already got this open with me. So I've gone to the Anaconda site and you can download for Mac or Windows or Linux. So because I'm working on Windows, I will just install. So just click on download and it downloads the installer for you. This is a fairly big installer and it's going to take some time. So I've already got one file installed. We'll have a play with that. You would also want to install Git Bash, which is the terminal we'll be using. I will leave links to both of these on the video notes so you can use the links and download the files. So we'll just right click on the installer I have and click run as administrator. So we will click next. We'll click agree on the license agreement. We'll install it for all users. This is the location it will install to. Click next. And we will add this. So add Anaconda to the system path environment variable. So we will be using Git Bash and not the Anaconda terminal. So we need this added to the system path. And we will click install. So as you can see, everything has been installed. We'll click on next. And we can install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So let's just click on install. We'll click on next. We can learn more about Anaconda Cloud or learn how to get started in Anaconda, but at the moment we'll just uncheck it and click on finish. And I'm using Git Bash, so we'll just click Git Bash. And the editor will open for us and we'll just check what version of Python has been installed. And then we can see what all has been installed by Anaconda. So we can type in pip list. So it's given us a list of all the packages that have been installed. And we can now also see what has been installed as part of Anaconda, and we can type in Conda list. And it gives us a list of all the packages that have been installed with Anaconda. So in this video, we've learned how to install Anaconda for machine learning. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thanks.